They're around Eastern Delaware. You're sounding good around Las Cruces, New Mexico. Have a great day.
I'm gone. You know, you just sound like shit out there, Roger. Illinois 918. You in the shit?
Delaware, man. We're sounding good. 163 by the Rio
Mr. Bojack's on his west side. It's coming back. Up there, Connecticut. How about it there, Connecticut? 333 in the Long Star State. We stand by. Hello. What are you doing, tree climber? What are you doing, tree climber? Standing still out there, you got the Saturn still. You still got the Saturn there, tree climber. 333 in the Long Star State.
Yeah, man. Plus 163 by the Rio Grande. It's funny you say that. My wife just told me like 30 minutes ago I got a metabolism of a 12-year-old.
Hello.
Get old and starts to slow down.
I guess the tree there laying out. I like the tree there, man. I myself
Not really sure what that was. Wheel, maybe?
on the mail. And they come.
Yeah, brother. We got the West Coast and the East Coast. It's pretty interesting.
And the Northeast Coast, Roger.
Hey, Roger.
Waving a hand.
Alright, brother. Yeah, I'm just out here putting the speaking smoke on my vocal man. Let's see if he can't hear you, or if you can't hear him. Hey, radio man, give 122 a shout.
Well, I bumped it. How about it, US 9213 Central New Mexico? Who's got a copy on this here little radio? All right, 313, appreciate it, no doubt. Mailman. Well, that's too big up here for me. So we're going to get on out of here. 333 Long Star State. 334 in Houston. I don't know if anybody can say 334 in Texas. I'm going. Anything of a lovely here. I know it's tree top, something like that. Anyway, next time you Bluegill, 334 in Houston, waving back. I'm going. We'll tear it up and lay it down on the side of the cottonwood tree. 0920. 0920. We'll put the mile on that. A little bit much on that echo, but we could hear you.